Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Not too long ago, I was talking with my cousin who works as a fiber technician. He was describing a job where the issue wasn't the work itself, it was the tools. Every time he ran into a new cable type or prep scenario, he realized he didn't have the exact tool for the application. That meant improvising, slowing down the job, or worse, having to leave the site and make another trip just to pick up the right tool. He said the frustrating part wasn't effort, it was inefficiency. Having some tools, but not the right tools for the full range of fiber applications he faced in the field. That conversation made something really clear to me. Fiber work doesn't just require good tools, it requires coverage. And working at Jonard Tools, I knew we already had a solution built around that exact idea. That's when I looked at our ultimate backpack fiber prep kit through the lens of real field applications. And once I saw how much it covered in one organized system, everything changed. So what makes this kit ultimate? First off, it's a complete field-ready system built inside a rugged backpack. It's not just a bunch of tools thrown together, it's a totally organized prep solution that lets you walk into any fiber job prepared from the first strand to the last. Within this backpack, you get a huge suite of precision fiber prep tools, including multiple mid-span slit and ring tools for accessing fiber at various diameters, a buffer tube ringer and cable slit and ring tools for clean mid-span access, a dedicated fiber optic stripper, cutters, shears, and diagonal pliers, connector cleaners, visual fault locator kit, flashlight, multi-bit screwdriver, basically everything you'll need to prep and troubleshoot on the spot. All stored in a technician's tool bag backpack engineered for comfort, durability, and smart organization. Every tool has a place, every application has a solution, and nothing gets misplaced mid-job. So who is this kit for? If you're serious about fiber prep, whether you're a DIY enthusiast tackling your own installs, a contractor working on residential or small commercial jobs, or a full-on fiber technician facing daily challenges, this ultimate backpack kit is built for you. It's for the person who wants confidence in every cut, strip, and splice, and the peace of mind that comes with having the right tool for every task before you even step on site. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.